There, this is Jay Bowman from forextradingvids.com. I'd like to go through the Australian US dollar and also the US dollar to give you an indication of where we might be heading. So let's go to the monthly here, and this descending horn pattern, the target pretty much was parity here to parity and 430 level. Now I've got some indication that we are going to be heading higher here towards the 104.37 mark. So let's just get that confirmation, and I'll just let you know via this weekly here that we've at the top of this ascending wedge, and also this major upwards channel that's gone back for a while, is that the top of that is the 353 mark. So that's sort of where we're going, and it looks like we have here this candle, this last weekly candle is quite bullish. The bulls fought off the bears at the end of the week, or and so let's just go down to the week, so the daily, and this will give us our target on the shorter term, which I like to trade off the daily and the weekly. And if I just go here, now this is a wedge, neither descending or ascending, just a common wedge, and the first target on the break on Friday gives us the parity 310 to parity 334 level. Now, being at parity 180, we are looking at 140 points, 140, 150 points there. So that's still good pippage. 150 pips is definitely nothing to sneeze at. So let's just concentrate on that. That's my weekly, and what I've got here on the the average true range is that I've got 100. Basically, when I go down here, I've got about 100 pips stop. So to get 150 for 100, it's sort of like it's a 1.5 to it's 1.5 to 1 ratio, and therefore it's not really the best. It's not really the best. But look, what I know is that 100 pips, will definitely cover you quite a while down. So the objective here is pretty much to drag your stop after about 50 odd pips and put yourself into a zero risk position. Now we just turned black on the Hawkeye, and that definitely means a buy. So just keep that one in mind. That's a pretty good trade coming. And if I go to the US dollar now, I'll just go through this quite quickly now because I'm running out of time. Is that we have had a sort of a test of the support of this wedge here, and so if I go to the weekly, it looks like we've broken out its flag, which gives us a 75 target level, but we definitely do have to get past that 76 mark, 76, 77 mark. Alright, so keep that in mind. If I go down to the daily, we have had this channel break, which the target has been hit at this 77 mark. Now, what we've seen here is that the next target of this flag break is also the high 75 marks, low 75 marks, but we do have a support here at the high 75 marks, as you can see, 75.86. so just keep that in mind. The US dollar looks like it's continuing to go down, which will also bring all the other major currencies against it higher in value. So that's sort of the reasoning behind these trades. I will post another couple of currency trades, probably the euro and the sterling, up pretty soon. So just keep in touch. That's Jay Bowman from forextradingvids.com. Thank you.